Hello children, welcome to today's class. Today's subject is computer lesson number 6, Introduction to Logo. So we all learned that computer works on given instructions by us, right? Yes, the process is data according to the given instructions. So like that, today we are going to know about logo. Even logo is a program. It is a software to work on the computer. Okay children. A set of instructions or commands given to the computer is known as program. What is a program? Program means a set of instructions or commands given to the computer. It is a program. Programming language. A computer understands instruction in a computer language. Just listen carefully. Program means it is a set of instructions or commands given to the computer. That is called program. Programming language means it is a instructions given to the computer in its understand language. A computer understands instruction in a computer language. That is called programming language. It means a computer understands in its language only, not our language. It converts the data to its language. Okay. So that is called programming language. Logo is one of the easiest language called programming languages. Logo stands for, logo means LOGO means language of graphics oriented. Language of graphics oriented. Here we give commands, it takes and it give the output what we given, what it understand its language, by its language. Okay, it shows the result on that way. So logo is a graphic software, language of graphic oriented. We can draw pictures, type text, and we can do sums in the logo program. So logo was designed by Seymour Papert and Wally Feruzzi at the USA. Who designed logo? Seymour Papert and Wally Feruzzi. Now we will learn how to start with logo. Now already we switch on. Just think, we already switch on the system. Now we are going to open the logo program. Now go to start. In that click all programs. Now look at the screen. We can see Microsoft Windows logo, means MSW logo. We should click on that. Click on Microsoft Windows logo. Now the MSW logo window appears. When we click on that, the steps start, all programs and Microsoft Windows logo. Now Windows will open. MSW window will opens up. The logo window. Just this is the MSW logo window. When we open logo program, the first screen means logo program window looks like this. This is the window of logo. Look at the screen. That triangle shape, that is called turtle. Turtle means it is like a pencil. What we give the command, it draws on the screen. Okay, the center page, that is called home. That is the home of turtle. Okay, that white area white workspace is called a graphic window. That is graphic window. Whatever we give commands, it draw on that screen only. After that, look at below of the graphic window. That is commander window. What we give the commands, everything it comes in that. Then it is called a recall list box. After that, below that one white color bar, that is called input box. Input box means we should give the command in that only. This is the logo window. Graphics window. This is the work area. The triangle symbol at the center of the screen is called turtle. The center position of the turtle is called home of the turtle. And below the screen of commander window, that is called commander window. It consists recall list box and input box. Next, control buttons. In that, execute, halt, pause, resets are there. In commander window, the commander window can be split into two parts. One is input box, recall list box. Input box, this is where we enter all the commands. In input box, what commands we should give, we can give in that. We should give on that, okay? In recall list box, this box stores all the previously typed commands entered into the input box. What we entered in input box, everything stored in recall list box. Control buttons. The logo screen has various control buttons. You can use these to perform different tasks. Execute. It is used to carry out the commands in the input box. Execute means okay, enter like that. Execute means what commands we given, it should execute on the screen. So we can use for execute the programs. Halt. To stop the logo program. What we are doing, we should stop means we should press halt. Pause. To stop processing the logo program for some time. If you want to stop the program for some time, we press pause. After that, we can cancel to start the processing again. Then reset means to clear the logo output screen. Output screen means that graphic area. If you want to reset or clear that, we can give reset. These are the function of control buttons. Primitive or commands means it is the logo language, how we want to give the commands to the logo program. Commands in logo are known as primitives. We can call that commands or primitives also. Primitives can be typed in uppercase, capital letter, or lowercase, smaller letters. We shall now learn about some basic primitive in logo. We can draw on the graphics window by moving the turtle as the. Listen, if you want to move the turtle, we should give forward or backward, left, right. We can give these commands to moving the turtle. So, full forms of primitives. FD means forward. CS means clear screen. BK means backward. HT means hide turtle. RT means right. ST means show turtle. LT means left. Home means home. Here If we give FD, the turtle moves forward. CS means it clear the graphic area. It completely erases the graphic area. Backward, BK means the turtle move backward. HT means high turtle without the triangle line moves or draws. Okay. RT means the turtle, where is the turtle head? It turns to right. Then when we give high turtle, if you want to identify the turtle where it is, so we should give ST, show turtle. If we give LT, it turns to the left, face of left. Home means if we come to the turtle, if you want to the turtle be in the home place, center of the screen means we should give home command. So steps to enter a command in input box. Click on the input box with your mouse. Type the command after blinking cursor. Click the execute button or press enter to the key. First in input box, just type FD steps. We should give the steps 10 step, 20 step forward. Like that we should give the commands. After that we should give for the execute or enter to perform the commands. Okay. FD or forward. Look at the picture, children. The turtle is situated in the center of the screen. Okay. When we give FD forward 60, or how much steps do you want to move the turtle front? Forward, we should give the command. It moves like this. Just look at the picture. Yes, that is the forward primitive. In the input box, type FD and space. How much steps the turtle want to move. Just give the steps 60, 100, 250 like that. We can give whatever numbers. Then press enter or execute. The turtle will move 60 spaces forward. The symbol for enter key is the arrow mark. Next, backward or BK primitive. Just observe the picture. If we need the turtle come to backward, we should give backward. We should give spaces or steps. We call that steps. A BK 50 or BK 100. How much steps it want to be backward, we should give on the input box. Then press execute. It comes back like this. Next, right primitive or RT. Just look at the picture. RT90. Which side it turns? Face. On that side, right side of the head, it turns that side. Look at the picture. When we give RT90, it turns like this. This primitive does not move the turtle forward or backward. It only changes the direction of the turtle with the RT primitive. It rotates the turtle clockwise direction. Next, LT or left primitive. Use the LT or left primitive to turn the turtle the left. You have to right angle by which you want to turtle to rotate to the left. 90, 45, 30. How much steps or how much degree it should be turned, we should give on the input box. This command will rotate the turtle 45 degree to its left in an anti-clockwise direction. Next, Set primitive. Set primitive to rotate the turtle in a clockwise position. It turns in clockwise. It is similar to RT command except the turtle is rotated from its original position instead of the current position. For example, we can give it set 50 rotates the turtle by 50 degrees from the original position. Next, home primitive. The turtle's home is at the center of the screen. The turtle's home is at the center of the screen. The home primitive takes the turtle back home from anywhere on the screen. When we give home primitive in the input box, the turtle back home from anywhere on the screen. Clear screen means on typing CS in the input box, when we give execute, the screen is cleared and the turtle returns home. CT means clear text. Text area means recall list box. If it doesn't want that command stored in the recall list box, just give CT or clear text command, then press execute. That recall list box will clear up. Hide turtle means HT primitive hide the turtle. We can see the finished drawing without the turtle. We can give hide HT. ST means if you want to ST primitive to bring it back on the screen. So after using HT, we can use ST for bringing back the turtle on the screen. Clean primitive means it erases all the graphics in the graphics window. When we give clean primitive in input box means we all know that the bottom of the screen in the white box, that is called input box. When we give the clean primitive in that, the graphics window will clears up. Next, print or PR primitive. Use the print to write any numbers. If you want to write any numbers, letters or word or sentence, the output of this command, this display in the recall list box. Any number or letter or sentence we should type in the logo, it all shows in the recall list box, not on the graphic area. It all display in recall list box or commander area. Okay, for that, if you want to type a letter, word or sentence or number, we should write before that print or pre or PR. Just when we need to type some letter or numbers, sentence, word, first type print. Print 6. Execute. It shows the result 6. Without print, if we give 6, it will not show up. It shows not responding. So first we should give print, type print, after that space 6. It show the result 6. Print computer, it shows computer. Print I love computers, then give execute button or enter button. It shows the I love you computers. So whatever we need to type, letters or words, sentence, numbers, before that we should type print primitive. Steps to use a command enter earlier. Means that command create a picture or drawing or shape, anything. We can give some commands to make it earlier. To execute a command entered in the input box earlier, you need not to type again it. Use the recall list box. Just keep the cursor on that, click on that command or primitive copied in recall list box, then give execute. Just we can give the commands even like this also. Click on the command you want to reuse from the command recall list. Then the command is copied into the input box. Click the execute button or press the enter key. Like this we can create a picture. Use the scroll button to find a command you have used earlier but cannot see in the command recall list box. Just observe on the screen. In the command list box we can observe that a scroll bar are there. Yes, scroll button is there. So we can move to check the page, that recall list page up and down. Okay, which command we need to enter again and again. Just we can copy to input box. If you have computer system in your home, in that if you have the software of logo, just go through page number 57, examples, give the commands given in the textbook as it is. We can observe the pictures. What we give commands, it shows the pictures. Type these commands and observe the movement of the turtle. So here so many examples in the textbook. Just observe the textbook page number 57. Now maths in logo. We can do mathematics also with logo. You have learned how to draw figures and shapes in logo. Now you will learn how to do calculation in logo using print command and arithmetic operations. So we all know that arithmetic operations which we use in logo are almost arithmetic means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, right? We know that addition symbol plus, subtraction symbol minus, multiplication symbol into, division symbol divided by. Okay, so we should use these things to calculate in logo. Mathematical calculation can be performed using the sum. Sum means addition, difference means subtraction, product means multiplication, quotient and remainder means division. Okay. First, sum. Use the sum primitive to add two numbers. If you want to add two numbers in logo, first you should write that print, P-R-I-N-T, print sum 23 space 92. After that give enter or execute. It shows the result 115. If you want to subtract two numbers, one number from another, just type in the input box print difference 16 space 5, give execute. It shows the result in recall list box 11. For product primitive, to do multiplication in your logo, you should do print product 10 space 15. Here I gave some examples. Okay, 10 space 15. It shows the result in recall list box 150. If you want to do division in the logo, give print quotient 60 space 6. It shows the result 10. Here we are not using any symbols to do maths. We are using primitives. For addition, we are using sum. subtraction, difference. For multiplication, product, division, we are using quotient command. So this is the arithmetic operation doing in logo. Existing in logo. Existing means we should close the program. We can't close the program as it is by closing button. So we should do some steps here. In the recall list box, type BYE, buy. After that, give or click on execute or enter button on the keyboard. It close the logo program, or